Dear physics aspirant, right now I have the law of the inertia, and subtopic will come under law and motion of physics. 5.3, the Galileo studied motion of the object on an inclined plane. Subject 1, uh, objects 1 moving down an inclined plane accelerated while those, and you will see here, and moving up retard, and motion on a horizontal plane is an intermediate situation. Galileo concluded that an object moving on a frictionless horizontal plane must neither have acceleration nor retardation in this position, and here you will see IE should move with constant velocity. Another experiment by Galileo leading to the same conclusion involves a double inclined plane. A ball released from rest on one of the planes roll down and climbs up the other. Here, if the planes are smooth and the final height of the ball is nearly the same as an initial height, a little less but never greater. Here, in the ideal situation, when friction is absent, the final height of the ball is same as its initial height. So here you will see the slope of the second plane is decreased, and the experiment repeated. The ball will still reach the same height, but in doing so it will travel a longer distance. It is limiting case. In the limiting case, when the slope of the second plane is 0, i.e. is a horizontal, the ball travel in infinite distance. In other words, its motion never ceases. This is of course an idealized situation. 5.1. Here you will see. Now, in practice, the ball does come to the stop after moving finite distance of the horizontal plane because of opposing of the force of friction, which can never be totally eliminated. However, if there were no friction, the ball would continue to move with constant velocity of the horizontal plane. Galileo thus arrived a new insight of the motion had eluded Aristotle and those who followed him. The state of rest and the state of uniform linear motion with the constant velocity, are equivalent. In both cases, there is accomplished almost single-handedly by Isaac Newton, one of the greatest scientists of all times. Newton built on Galileo's ideas and laid the foundation of mechanics in terms of 3 laws of motion that go by his name. Galileo's law of inertia was his starting point, which is formulated as the first law of motion. Every body continues to be in its state of rates of uniform rest of or uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled by some external forces to act otherwise. Thank you very much.